everyone, so today is going to be another Lookfantastic unboxing. If you don't know what Lookfantastic is, it is a monthly subscription box that costs around £13 a month. It is a beauty subscription, it's beauty and skincare. It's between £13 and £15 a month. I do have a coupon code. I will put that on the screen here. That is an affiliate code. But I do purchase this box with my own money. I do not get PR or anything like that off Lookfantastic. I just have a code for you guys. And it is an affiliate code. So if you use that, it does help my channel out. Yeah, I did unsubscribe last month. But then with the whole Perfume situation, I kept it going, and to be honest, I haven't found like a lifestyle-y one that I'm after, and I did want to have at least one beauty box, and I haven't found a lifestyle subscription that I'm kind of like, that's really like what I fancy, because that's what I fancy changing to, a lifestyle subscription. So I'm going to keep this till I find the one that I want in anyways. Yeah, but like I say, this costs between £13 and £15 a month. I do purchase this myself. I'm going to unbox it, and hopefully it has my perfume in. That was missing last month. Okay, it does, which is amazing. Thank you so much for not missing it out. So this is what was meant to be in last month. So this is not one of this month's items, by the way. This is the Sentier Parisian Embrace, and it is a 10ml. If you guys know, I love perfumes. This is just a little small size. Oh, it smells nice. Let's have a look. To me, hands down, that smells like Lancome La Vie Stable. Have anyone got this? Maybe more of like a nighttime version of Lancome La Vie Stable. That smells very much like Lancome La Vie Stable to me. Maybe one of their, I can say I've had a lot of their side ones, but that smells like a stronger version of Lancome La Vie Stable to me. But I'm very happy with it. It smells lovely, so I'm glad I got that. So then we've got the next lot of the items. We've got lots of like little leaflets and stuff like that. So the next thing we've got is the Dragon's Blood from Rodial. Rodial is a pricey brand. Sculpting Gel. It says helps define facial contours and adds volume to sagging skin. Apply to cleansed face and neck twice daily, and this is what it looks like. Here, this is a 15ml, but I could well imagine that being quite a pricey price because it is Rodial. It's quite an exciting product. Definitely if you're aging, and I feel like, you know, I'm aging. I don't think I've got sagging skin quite yet though. Next is something which I do feel like we should have had something to go with this, and I can't see that we have. But it is the SPA shampoo, bergamot and jasmine shampoo. I do need shampoo and conditioner, so I'm not going to complain about this, to be honest, but I would have liked to have got the conditioner with this. It smells nice enough. I do like SPA products, and I've actually not long had like a massage with SPA stuff, and it was actually beautiful. Normally I get a massage with Elemis. I've had Elemis, and I've had another spa brand, I can't think of the name, but I did recently have an spa massage, and it was gorgeous. They used all spa products. It was beautiful. But that smells lovely. Just a little travel size again. It's 75ml, but like I say, I would have liked to have got the conditioner. So that's our two items. Next we've got something from Emma Hardy. It is the Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It says it hydrates, help decrease the appearance of fine lines, helps improve firmness and elasticity, helps tighten, smooth and lift. So similar kind of sort of thing to the Rodial product, I would say. Apart from this is a cream, and I think the Rodial is like a serum. But yeah, 30ml, so decent-ish size for Emma Hardy. Like I say, I just feel like there's no theme to this box. I feel like it's just a random bunch up to now. Next, we've got a Dr. Lips Superfood Sweet Potato Tint. This is a lips, cheeks and eyelid tint. It's got like a tiny touch of like a tint of a pink to them. I've had this before. It's an alright product. It's not something I would rush out and get. It's not something I would rave about, but it's an alright product. Yeah. And that is an 8ml size. Not very exciting. Something I'm quite excited. I do own one of these products already, but I don't own a Brushworks one. And it is the back combing brush. I feel like it's very random to put in here with nothing else. I feel like maybe a nice clip or something it should have went with, you know, so you could create a style. I just think it's a very random product just to have randomly in here. So let's have a look at it. I do own one of these brushes already, but I'm happy with this. It's nice enough. And these are like, I think everyone should have a back combing brush. I don't know if that's just because I've done hair, but yeah. Okay. Next we've got something from Perfume. So we've got a face mask from Perfume. It is the 10 cell sheet mask. This is what it looks like here. What does it do? It's a dual mode mask used as a regular sheet mask. It replenishes skin in 20 minutes. But you can actually use it with the Perfume UFO device as well. So if you've got the UFO, you can use it with that as well. So I'm alright. So my opinion on this box, I feel like it's a very random bunch of stuff. I feel like they've just picked, we've got 6 products, so we can't really complain, but I feel like we've got 6 random products. We've got a shampoo, no matching conditioner. We've got 2 kind of face sculpting kind of cream serum type product. We've got the Dr. Lips thing, the sheet mask here, and then we've got a random back comb brush. I just feel like it's got no rhyme or reason this month's box. There's no theme to it, especially when how good this month's glossy box is. I mean, like, I think this month's glossy box is really good, and I just not complaining about the products, the brands, everything like that. It's decent brands, good brands in this month's box. Yeah, all the brands are good in this month's box, but I just feel like it doesn't make sense to me. It's like got no rhyme or reason. It's just like they went in a room with loads of shelves of beauty products and they've picked 6 random products. That's how I feel. I'm glad I got my perfume. Yeah, I'm kind of like, this seems such a random bunch, like no rhyme or reason to. But I mean, I'm happy with some of the products. So I'm happy with some of the products, but I'm like, who picked this month's box items? That's what I'm thinking. But I'll run through them again. So we've got the Brushworks back combing brush, we got the Ferrero sheet mask, we got the S-Bar shampoo, we've got the Dr. Lips sweet potato tint lip balm, we got the Dragon's Blood sculpting gel by Rodeo. Then we got the Midas Touch revitalizing cream from Emma Hardy, and then obviously my missing perfume from last month. So overall items are good, just a random, very random bunch in my opinion. But I still do love Lookfantastic, and last year they were killing it. Absolutely killing it on their beauty boxes. So hopefully they will get back to that this year, because I feel like the last couple of ones haven't been the best in my opinion. This month the products are canny. It's just the theme is, there's no rhyme or reason to these products. There's no rhyme or reason to these products. But yeah, that is my 2 pence on this month's Lookfantastic box. Like I say, I do have a code for Lookfantastic if you would like to use that code on maybe getting a subscription, or even it works actually on Lookfantastic items, and it works on the majority of Lookfantastic items, like items on Lookfantastic. And if it doesn't work, I normally suggest a code that will work. So it's always worth putting it in the Lookfantastic coupon code boxing anyways. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.